Hey guys, this is Sandy123 and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to react to Airplane Part 2 Japanese version. I think it's the official version and there's another version, Korean version, but I am going to react to the official MV. Let's start reacting. Door is opening, okay. It has a very Spanish vibe, the music with mariaca and all that. I think it's V with glasses. He looks so in zone. I mean, background, the mic, it looks really cool. Oh, Jimin enters and like he's no swag. I think Jimin is the one who suits this song. I mean, look. He are the star in this. Jin. So they are the duos. They're going back and forth, giving mic to each other. It's looking pretty good. The lighting and the background goes so well with the song. RM is in the zone. This guy, it goes with the flow. His rap is so good. He's like butter. The choreography is really great. Did you see the shoulder rolls? Transition is really again brilliant. They just bob their head with the music. So it really is great. The solos there. This is in zone and just moving like that. It's really good. Something is good is going to happen now. I just knew it. Jhope is going to on top of this. Look at his moves. I mean, look at his legs. I mean, great. This was pretty good. I mean, it's just in flow. From the top, he went down and it was really smooth. Sync is just incredible. Jimin never knows for some reason. Suga and Jimin duo. Music is so well with the what they are saying. It's pretty good. Suga again spitting fire. I mean, he's always so good at this. I love his raps. It's awesome. Oh, we with the hat. I like it. It's pretty good. saying they're going London to Paris, they do this move. It's like they're flying and all that. It's the moves they incorporate with the song. It's so good. It it really works for this. Jin with the wink. I mean, I have heard the Korean version. Now I'm doing the Japanese version, so it's little different. But this is also pretty good. It's wet or silly. Background vocal, pretty good. Jungkook. Again, I think it's ending when it started. He went there, and then now he's ending it with B only, I guess. Going there. Last pose, I think. Camera is moving down. First it was going up here, and then it's going away. It's pretty good. It was really good. The camera works, the transitions, everything is so well done in this. I just love this song. So if you like my reaction, please click on like and subscribe to my channel, please.